Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hopefully all of you are doing great. I'd like to share Power BI Food and Beverage Sales Analysis Dashboard. In this video, I will explore how this interactive dashboard helps evaluate overall business performance. At the top, KPI display total revenue, total orders and average transaction below, giving a quick snapshot of performance. On the left, interactive filters like quarters, sales channel and product category allows to customize the sales analysis. With a single click, all visuals update in real time. At the center, monthly revenue and order trends highlight sales patterns, seasonality, and growth throughout the year. Starting with the top 5 salespersons, this section highlights our best performers, helping us recognize top talent and understand individual contributions. Moving to revenue by product group, we can clearly see which product generates the most income, supporting better inventory planning and targeted marketing strategies. The quarterly performance view provides broader perspective on our growth trends over time, making it easier to track progress. On the right, revenue by channel breaks down sales across retail, distributor, and online segments, while the product category analysis compares the performance of food and beverage items, giving us a complete view of overall sales performance. That's it for now. Thank you for watching. See you later. Allah Hafiz.